In this video lesson, I will show you what is Jump 55 Index Pip Calculator and how to use it to calculate the pip value, to stop loss and to take profit before opening an order. Here on the left side you have a pip calculator, and the link for this pip calculator you will have below in the description. On the right side I have a trading platform, MetaTrader 5 with a Jump 75 index. And below in the left corner I have a PDF with a table with all the pip values for specific synthetic indices. For the Jump 75 you can see this row that the contract size is set to 1, the minimum volume is 0.01 and the maximum volume is 2. A pip value is equal to 0.01. If you go inside the PDF you will see also the formula how to calculate the pip value, and you will have also an example how to use the pip calculator. I will leave this PDF open and I will put it the Jump 75 so we can see the values here. For the PDF, the link will be below in the description so you can download on your PC. Now let's check what the pip calculator is. On the top you have a pip value in US dollars. Whenever you click calculate you will get here the value in US dollar. Below that you have a symbol where you have a drop-down menu to select which synthetic indices you would like to have and to calculate. In this case I have selected Jump 75. Whenever you select one of these symbols, the pip calculator will automatically populate the contract size and also the point value based on this table. So for the contract size it is set to 1 and the point value is set to 0.01. Below that you have a volume, which is also a lot size, and you can change this value to any other value that you would like to have. In this case I will leave the volume set to 1 to calculate what is the value of 1 pip. But later on I will show you an example how to change the volume to calculate the different stop loss and take profit values. Below that you have a contract size which is set to 1. So each broker has defined how much is the contract size for specific symbol. For the Jump 75 index, this broker, which is a derivative broker, has defined that the contract size is equal to 1. If you do not know what is the contract size for specific symbol, you need to contact your broker support to check that. For the point value, it is set to 0.01, and that means that the price, when the price change on the chart, you can see it here, by 0.01, that will mean that price has changed by 1 pip. So 1 pip is defined as a 0.01 on the chart. So if you click calculate, you will get the value of 1 pip, which is set to $0.01. On the chart, when the price changed by 0.01, this will mean the price has changed by 1 pip and it has changed by $0.01. Below that you have 3 fields to enter the entry price, stop loss and the take profit. When you enter these 3 values, click calculate, you get a stop loss difference and the take profit difference. Stop loss difference is difference between entry price and the stop loss, and the take profit is difference between the entry price and the take profit. You can use the stop loss take profit to calculate in US dollars how much they will be. Let me show you an example. Let's open a new order with the current market price. We are expected the price will have stop loss at this point, and we are expecting the price will go down, and let's put take profit here. Let's enter these 3 values here. 4865.72, stop loss is 4929.22 and take profit is 4651.88. Click calculate and you get here the stop loss and the take profit difference. Copy this stop loss price difference here and click calculate. You get the stop loss would be equal to $63.50 and the take profit would be equal to $213.84. Now let's open a new order with these values. We have volume set to 1, then we have stop loss. Let's copy paste this one here. And we are expecting that the price will go down. This will mean we are opening sell by market. New order has been opened with a stop loss and take profit, but the entry price is slightly different, so let's change this one here so we have the correct values inside the pip calculator. Click calculate. Now let's copy this stop loss here, click calculate, and we got the stop loss is 58.73. Let's remove these horizontal lines so we can see the stop loss take profit. Now let's hover our mouse over this line where the stop loss is, and let's wait for a while to show up. Minus 58.73, same value we got here. That's great. Now let's copy this one here. It is 280.61. Let's check the take profit, 218.61. You can see that the Jump 75 index Pip Calculator has the same values for the stop loss take profit when you calculate the stop loss difference, take profit difference. This is the great Pip Calculator to check what would be the stop loss take profit before opening an order. So if you would like to change the stop loss take profit to any other values, for example, if you would like to have, let's put this one here, if you would like to have a stop loss equal to 100, then you would need to increase the volume. So to increase the volume, you would need to put here any other values. So to get to close to 100, you would put here, for example, 2, because this would increase by 2, and the stop loss would be 17.46. Let's close this order and open a new one with different volume. Let's put here again, the entry price would be at current market price. We would now open a buy order. For example, let's change the direction and we put stop loss just below here. So how much of volume we should put on this example to have a stop loss equal to close to 100? Let's enter these three values first of all. For 58.41, let's put stop loss and let's put take profit. Click calculate, and this is the price difference for the stop loss. Copy this one here, click calculate, and we got 239.98. This would be a stop loss. So to lower the stop loss to be close to 100, we would need to divide this 1 by 2. So we would put here 1. Click calculate. It is 119. So we would need to lower this one again to get to close to 100. So to lower this one by, for example, 0.9, let's put this one here. Click calculate. It is 107. Let's put 0.8. Click calculate. 95.99. This would be good. Now let's open a new order. Let's put 0.8 as the volume. Stop loss, copy paste, take profit, copy paste, and we are opening buy order because we are expecting that the price will go up. Here it is. Now let's put the new entry price, 4851.87. Click calculate. And we got 113.45. Let's copy this one here, click calculate. We got the stop loss 90.76. Now let's check that on the chart. 90.76. It is the same value we got here. And the take profit is 197.21. 197.21. You can see that the Jump 75 index Pip Calculator has shown the same stop loss and the take profit. We have calculated the stop loss before opening an order. We got it close to 100 and we have changed the volume to 0.8 to get that. Now you can see how to use this Pip Calculator to get the values for the stop loss take profit before opening an order. So you can change the volume before opening order or change the stop loss and take profit to get to the precise level. So this way you can have a proper risk management before opening an order, which is very crucial in trading. So if you have any questions regarding this Jump 75 index Pip Calculator, please leave a comment and I will try to make a new video with an answer to your questions. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!